Hello, this is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. Today I want to make a video about the CD changer that I have, and this thing was something else, because this particular CD changer is a part of the Bose, not Bose, Becker. This is the Becker radio, that's the Becker tuner, and here is an amplifier made in Japan, probably Alpine, but it doesn't say who made it, because it's just only Mercedes number on the back of the controller. All right, so this is basically, it appears to be some sort of a control module here that sends digital to analog conversion and what have you, and then the CD changer has its own board. Now this CD changer came from a 93 600 SL that has Becker system still, and I want to keep it original. Just want to show you that I finally repaired it, because the car that it's just been sitting there for the longest, and I never had time to get to it, and finally it is done. At the moment it's connected to the whatever radio I just had laying around, and the tuner. Original stuff is still in the vehicle, and it is showing it's playing CD number 8, CD number 2, track number 8, and I'm playing just a regular sound effect CD. Again, this video is about nothing really, I guess. So these are the CDs that's in there. It's basically just the sound effect. Okay, so it's just like air, wind, and rain, and what have you. So that I can play. I think that's fire or something. You just go to the next one. There was some ocean. This is my messy workshop, you know. But it's playing. It's the ocean. Next track. So that's the ocean. And here is what happened with the CD changer. Now apparently first problem is that the actual control board here, right? The control board had blown chip. This is another control board from another CD changer. It's on the floor right there. I just happened to get the second CD changer, so out of 2 I made 1. Now this CD changer right there, that one is dead. It was pretty much, it was not detecting the actual the magazine, and I don't know, it was just weird. So I checked the micro switch and all of that is good, so I just ditched it, because this CD changer, the original one, was showing the magazine, but before it started showing the magazine that was in there, the control board had blown chip. One of the chips was blown, so I replaced it, and then CD changer started working, but it would actually not read the disc. So I was like, okay, that's just great. So I localized the whole problem there is with the actual laser. So this is the laser, right? So this is the whole tray here that moves the laser, and it also focuses it onto the CD itself. Now, and I just basically put it away, because I was like, okay, I don't have the laser, so I need it. Now when I got a hold of the other CD changer, I checked it out, it's dead. Okay, fine. So I ripped the laser out of it, put the laser in here, and now it is operational, because that laser, it would try to focus, but I think the laser itself was bad, and then it would just like try to focus endlessly, and it would not track at all. So that was it. So replacement laser is back in here into the original CD changer, and it works fine, well, along with the controller here. I also replaced the battery, because there is a memory battery there. I guess it's a memory battery, just plain and simple battery, but given that it's like almost 30 years old, obviously this battery is you know, they don't live that long. Now this battery had welded points. As you can see, still, this is where I broke out. I broke out these points, and let's see. Yeah, all right. it looks something like this. That's how the battery looks. So 2032 replacement battery. I just basically welded those points in. Yeah, I was right, this is an Alpine unit. As you see here on one of the chips, it says Alpine Japan. So yeah, globalization I guess started back in the 90s already. Sony, Toshiba, Sanyo, all of these good guys. So this was part of Becker sound system. So the battery is replaced on the main board, and the chip replaced in there, laser replaced here, and basically that's it. Now it will have to be all put together, and that's another thing because well, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I mean, you know, I took it apart so many times, but finally I got the CD changer to work, because again, early style with this controller in the back. You got these European connectors, you know, they have to go and feed and loop all around over here together, and you know, back and forth into the tuner, the radio, what have you. So all of that to connect on the bench took a little time to gather all of these things. So I finally got them together, and I did replace the laser, so at least I can check it on the bench without taking it to the car all the time. Alright, so again, this is from a 93 600 SL. That car is probably going to be for sale probably next year, springtime or so. And I wanted CD changer to work. It used to work, and it just failed, and it went out. And now I really wanted to make it work, and I did finally make it work. So happy about myself, because it was bothering me a lot. The whole trunk is the paneling in the trunk, they're all off, so I have to get CD changer installed along with the tuner and everything, all the wires, and finally put all the panels in the trunk, and that will be all. I might replace the tuner, to be honest with you, in that car. I have the working tuner down here, so I might use that. But again, I really want that trunk to be assembled, and last piece of a puzzle in that car was CD changer. One more thing that I might do is I might just take the original radio from that vehicle, and I would install Bluetooth instead of the cassette player. I might do that, I'm not sure. Well, you know, it is what it is. And I know it's extremely messy, very messy over here. This is crazy. I really hate working like this, but I guess I was just like really going for it, and I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just do it, because I started in the morning, then I had to pause, then I have to come back, then I work on it for another hour, 2 hours, then I have to leave again, then I had to come back again. So it just, you know, builds up all this mess. You just drop everything down, you have to leave, and then you come back, and you're like, okay, that's why the bench is so bad, because I would just lay it all down, you know, and you know, just clean it all up so it's nice and clean, so I can see everything. Take the keyboard away, take some of these things away, the mouse and all of that stuff. So it's just like I have the nice clean area with my super high powered, like 500 watts LED light right above me. It's like daylight over here. It is so bright. Yeah, that's the area, so that's what I want. But it is what it is. It's still playing, if you can hear it. That's sound effects. They're still there. I don't want to play anything else, because then I will get copyright violation. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna put it all back together, put it in the car, and now you know that whoever buys that car knows that this CD changer is repaired and it is operational and on point. Alright, so this is it. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.